Well, it's been a rocky week for the markets after a series of interest rate decisions from various central banks, which increased volatility for the markets, as well as a government intervention operation in the FX market and serious developments in Ukraine's war. We are about to open a window into what next week has in store. On the monetary front, given that the Fed's interest rate decision has been released, we expect that Fed policymakers may restart their appearances and make statements regarding the bank's monetary policy, increasing volatility for the USD. Also, other policymakers from other central banks are scheduled to make statements and could sway the market's opinion. As for financial releases, we note on Monday the release of Japan's preliminary manufacturing sector PMI figure, Germany's IFO indicators, and Canada's business barometer, all being for September. On Tuesday, we note the release from the US of the durable goods orders growth rate for August and the consumer confidence for September. On Wednesday, we get from Australia the retail sales growth rate for August and from Germany the forward-looking GfK consumer sentiment indicator for October. On Thursday, we note the release of Eurozone's economic sentiment for September, Germany's preliminary HICP rate for September, from the US the final GDP rate for Q2, the weekly initial jobless claims figure, and from Canada the GDP rate for July. Finally, on Friday, we get from Japan the preliminary industrial output for August, China's NBS and Gaixing manufacturing PMI figures for September, France's and Eurozone's preliminary HICP rates for September, Switzerland's COF indicator for the same month, and from the US the consumption rate and the core PC price index for August, as well as the final University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the current month. That should sum it up for the week. From all of us here at Iron FX, best wishes for solid trading.